Coaxial cable. This heavily shielded copper wire was originally designed in the early 20th century to transmit radio and television signals across long distances without interference. Built around a single central copper core, surrounded by thick plastic insulation and a woven metallic shield, it is exceptionally resistant to outside electrical noise. While it is rarely used to connect individual computers to a local network today, it remains the absolute backbone of modern broadband internet infrastructure. Internet service providers still rely on millions of miles of this durable wire to deliver high-speed data directly from street-level nodes into residential modems around the world. Unshielded twisted pair. This is the classic Ethernet cord you will find plugged into almost every modern office computer and home Wi-Fi router. Emerging in the 1990s as a cheaper, more flexible alternative to older networking standards, it consists of 4 pairs of thin copper wires precisely twisted around each other inside a basic plastic jacket. These specific twists are a brilliant engineering solution designed to naturally cancel out electromagnetic interference from neighboring wires without requiring expensive metal shielding. Thanks to its low manufacturing cost and straightforward installation process, it quickly became the undisputed universal standard for connecting digital devices within a local building. Shielded twisted pair. Engineered for extreme environments where standard Ethernet cords simply cannot survive, this heavy-duty variant adds robust physical protection against severe electrical interference. Inside the outer jacket, each individual pair of twisted copper wires is wrapped in a dedicated layer of metallic foil or conductive braiding. This extra armor is absolutely essential in industrial factories, massive server data centers, or hospitals where heavy machinery and high-voltage lines constantly generate invisible electromagnetic noise. By blocking these external signals from reaching the fragile data streams inside, it ensures that critical network communications remain perfectly stable and uncorrupted in the most chaotic electrical conditions. Fiber optic cable. Representing a total departure from traditional copper wiring, this revolutionary technology transmits data using rapid pulses of light instead of electrical currents. Developed over decades of intense scientific research, these cables are constructed using microscopic strands of ultra-pure glass or plastic that are literally as thin as a human hair. Since light can travel incredible distances without degrading, they carry vastly more information at much higher speeds than any metallic wire ever could. They are the true invisible highways of the modern global internet, resting at the bottom of our oceans to connect entire continents and delivering massive gigabit speeds directly to advanced residential routers. If you found this dive into physical network infrastructure helpful, please subscribe to the channel